So alcohol is widely used, and for many people alcohol never poses a problem. But we know that alcohol can affect us differently as we age, and that even small amounts of alcohol can then be unsafe or have unwanted effects. And we also know that there's been a steady increase in the amount of alcohol that older adults drink in recent years. And in fact, older adults in the UK are now more likely to exceed the recommended alcohol limits than any other age group. There's also evidence to suggest that drinking heavily, and by that I mean in excess of 60 units per week for men, or 50 units per week for women over a period of 5 years or more, may actually increase the risk of developing cognitive impairment. And that's because as we age, our brains are more susceptible to the toxic effects of alcohol. It also means that older adults with alcohol problems are more likely to have cognitive impairment than younger people with alcohol problems. Now, the good news is that where cognitive impairment has been caused by alcohol, it can significantly improve if the person stops or greatly reduces their drinking. And exactly how alcohol and cognitive impairment are associated is still unclear, and so the best advice is to follow the recommended unit guidelines for alcohol use. So that means that you shouldn't drink any more than 14 units a week, spread over 3 or more days. And we've found that many people don't actually really understand alcohol units, so to put that into context, a large 250ml glass of wine would be around 3 units, whilst a pint of lower strength beer or cider would be around 2 units. And a single shot of spirits such as whiskey, gin or vodka, that would be the equivalent of about 1 unit. Now, if you're worried that you may be drinking too much, the best advice would be to discuss it with your GP or with your local alcohol service.